Reyes, Certified Public Accountant.
Thank you, ma'am, for that very wonderful introduction. So, graduates, please take your seats. To our school principal, Mr. Alfred Descaliar, our General PTA President, President Lucina Shore, our committed and inspiring teachers, our loving and supportive parents, and most especially, our dear graduates, who are at the heart of today's celebration and whose achievements we proudly honor. A pleasant afternoon to all. It's such an honor to be back here, not just as your guest speaker, but as someone who once sat exactly where you are today, 13 years ago. Murag ka na sa laman ito mga mamto, na 13 years ago, na naglingkod po ko diha, puno og excitement, og kakulba, nagtanaw sa akong mga teachers, mga classmates, ug sa akong mama ug papa. I can still remember singing our graduation song and standing in front to deliver my farewell speech on behalf of the SCS Batch 2013. At the time, I didn't fully realize what the future had in store for me. I only had dreams, hopes, and a little bit of courage. But standing here today, I can say that those small beginnings, those simple moments, meant something big. They were the start of a journey filled with challenges, lessons, and growth. Truly, wala truly imposible as long as you believe in yourself, work hard, and trust the process. You can go further than you ever imagined. And now, graduates, seeing all of you in your seats, I see myself in you, full of dreams, potential, and endless possibilities. Before we look ahead, let's take a moment to look back at your journey so far. So think about your very first days here in Shakon Central School. The first time you walked into your classroom, met your grade 1 teacher or kinder teacher, and tried to find your place among your new classmates. So diba, everything felt so big and new. And sometimes, medyo scary po. Some of you were shy, some unsure, and some didn't even know yet who you wanted to be. But even then, did you know that you were already beginning your journey? And it was here in elementary where you discovered your abilities. Maybe you realized you were good at drawing, solving problems, or helping others. Maybe you found your voice when reading aloud, or learned that even a simple smile could brighten up someone's day. This is also when you first stood in front of the class, performed on a stage, or tried something new, even if it felt uncomfortable at first, diba? More than skills, this is where you learn courage, discipline, and confidence. So when I was in elementary, I didn't fully understand how these small, everyday moments were shaping who would I become. The lessons, the activities, even simple encouragement, parang ordinary naman siya back then. But looking back now, I realized that that was where everything started. Because elementary is not just about how to read, how to write, or solve equations. It is where you begin to discover who you are. Kung unsa iyong strength, what you enjoy, and what you're capable of becoming. It is where confidence is built, one experience at a time, especially with the help of our teachers. I remember how Mrs. Elvira Wong helped me realize that I wasn't just good at written competitions. She opened opportunities for me to express myself through speaking, like jazz chant and storytelling. She is the reason why even until now, I value correct grammar, pronunciation, and how I deliver my words. With Mrs. Orangia Cabig, math became more than just numbers. It became something that challenged me, something I learned to appreciate over time. Hindi lang basta subject, but way of thinking. And through Mrs. Teresa Alabata, I discovered that science can actually be exciting. Through Nuchi Quiz and Science Quiz, she trained me not just to learn, but to be disciplined, especially when it comes to memorization and preparation. And of course, my grade 1 teacher, Mrs. Judeline Reyes, my mother, where everything began. The basics, the patience, the guidance, did you can start tanan, ang foundation of everything I know today. Looking back, you realize that elementary is not just a stage you pass through. It is where your seeds are planted, skills, values, and confidence that will carry with you as you grow. Maybe, di pa ninyo siya makita karon kay bata pa mo, but one day, you will look back and say, dito pala nagsimula ang lahat. So remember, everything you've done, every step, every lesson, every talent you discovered, and every teacher who guided you, has been preparing you for a better future. Karon ready na mo shine, ready na mo atubang sa world, and ready to show everyone how truly amazing you are. So now, let me ask, lahat ng kamata, graduates, dito may mag-high school dito sa Siacan National High School. So sa Hulian, Hulian Memorial Comprehensive High School, may alma mater. Kasi yung bahay ng flying syudad. I know. So see, each one of you has a different path. Some will stay here, some will move to another place, some will meet new classmates and friends. So when I entered high school, I had no idea what my journey would look like, but I trusted the process. I didn't know all the answers, but I knew that if I give my best, something meaningful would come out of it. So remember, you don't need to have everything figured out. Sometimes no, ganahan ka of instant na success, but there's no such thing as instant success if you don't go through the process. High school is a whole new world. Daghan kaayo new faces, new teachers, new challenges, but you don't have to worry because you are ready for this. You've already grown so much, and you'll keep learning and finding your way. Even when things feel new or difficult, you can handle it step by step. So that's why today, I want to share this with you, these 5 guiding lights I prepared and simple ideas that can help you to stay confident, focused, and enjoy your journey in high school without feeling overwhelmed. So what is 5 guiding lights? Number 1, embrace change. Ang kausaban, maunay pamaagi para matubog ta. So high school will be different. You will meet new teachers, new classmates, and face challenges you haven't seen before. But remember, change is not there to break you. It's there to help you grow. Each new experience, even the difficult ones, is an opportunity to learn something new about yourself. For example, if you're nervous about joining a club or making new friends, take it as a chance to discover your strengths, learn your skills, and become more confident. Change may feel uncomfortable, but that's how you grow stronger. So sa number 1, embrace change. Number 2, dream big, start small. So karon, raise your hand. Kinsay gusto mahimong doktor diri? Engineer. Kinsay gusto mahimong CPA like me? Or nurse? Who wants to be a nurse? Kani, basi dagan mahimong gusto kani. Kinsay gusto mahimong TikToker? So kung gusto ka mahimong doktor, engineer, artist, or even a leader someday, start small. Do your homework, study well, join clubs, explore your interests, kaya ang gamay na effort karon, mao na'y magdala sa dako nga success sa future. So, ano number 2? Dream big, start small. Number 3, courage over fear. Ayaw kahadlos masayo, kay ang sayo, mao na'y teacher na to. Fear will try to stop you from trying new things. You might be afraid to answer in class, join a new activity, or stand up for what you believe in. But courage doesn't mean you're not afraid. It means you try even when you are. Mistakes are your greatest teachers. Each failure, each challenge is an opportunity to grow. So take that step, raise your hand, and try, even if your voice shakes or you're unsure of yourself. Your bravery today will prepare you for a bigger challenges tomorrow. So, that's number 3, courage over fear. Number 4, balance fun and responsibility. High school is a place to make memories. Na kay barkada, events, and clubs na you will remember forever. It's okay to enjoy every moment, but don't forget your responsibility. Being responsible doesn't mean giving up fun. It means making wise choices, managing your time, and staying committed to your goals. Masarap mag-enjoy, pero masarap din ang success. Learn to balance play and work so you can enjoy both and never have regrets. So, sa number 4, balance fun and responsibility. Number 5, and lastly, character matters most. Yes, importante ang grades, pero mas importante ang inyong pagkatao. Di ba naman ay mga saying or naman ay mga magsulti atong mga papasatuan, lolo or lola, di ba nga? Mas dilihon ang pagkamaayo kaysa sa pagkamaalam. So, stick with that. Be kind, be respectful, and help others whenever you can. People may forget your grades, awards, or achievements, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Your character is what will guide you when no one is watching. It helps you earn trust and open doors in ways that talent alone cannot. So now, I want us to remember these 5 guiding lights together, okay? I'll say each one and you repeat after me. Ready? Ready? So first, embrace change. So first, second, dream big, start small. Third is courage over fear. Fourth, balance fun and responsibility. And fifth is character matters most. So if you noticed, all of these guiding lights lead to one very important message. Do you know what this is? Do you know? It is the theme that you carry today. Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. So in Tagalog, Pilipinong nagsipagtapos, handang mamuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. Because when you embrace change, dream big, and choose courage, you are building your confidence. And when you choose kindness, respect, and integrity, you are building your character. And I'm not just saying this as advice. This is something I had to learn in my own life. You know, graduates, honestly, I didn't learn competence overnight. Pero bata pa lang ko, and when I was your age, hindi ko mahadlok yung mag-dry. Mahilig ko magtaas ng kamot, muapil ng contest, MTAP, science quiz, multi quiz, maguban pa nga mga contest. Sayaw din, kanta dito, ug volunteer, bisan kulbaan. Kabalo mo nga no? Not because I was the best, but because I was willing to try. Usahay sayop, usahay mapilti, usahay makulbaan yun ko. Pero I kept showing up. I kept raising my hand. I kept choosing to trust. And slowly, without me even realizing it, I was already building my confidence. I was already building my confidence. And as I grew older, life tested me even more. So at the age of 17, I had to live alone in the city. Layo sa akong mama ug papa. Wala ko madaganan every day. So imagine that, being alone, making your own decisions, handling your problems, and learning things the hard way. I had to be independent, I had to be responsible, I had to grow up faster than I expected. And that was the moment I truly understood what competence means. So dili lang din siya about smart. It's not about being the best in class or always getting the high grades. It's about being brave enough to face life. To adapt when things don't go your way. And to keep going, even when things are hard. Even when you feel alone, even when you're unsure. Because real competence is not proven when life is easy. It is revealed when life becomes difficult. So that's exactly what I carried with me when I started working as an accountant. I had to make important decisions because every number mattered. Every choice I made could affect not just the institution, but also the people working there. And at the same time, I had to treat my colleagues with respect and kindness. Bisag stressful ang trabaho, I learned to help each other, listen, and work as a team. So I realized being good at your job is important. Pero being a good person while doing your work is just as important. That's why, graduates, you should always carry both competence and character wherever you go. So as you enter high school, don't be afraid to try. Raise your hand, join activities, step out of your comfort zone. Ayaw mo kaadlok mapakyas because failure is part of your growth. And at the same time, never ever forget to be a good person. Your achievements will bring you far, but your character will define you for who you truly are. Because even if you're talented, kung wala kang character, everything loses its value. Competence can take you places, but character will decide how far you go and how you will be remembered. It's your compass, guiding your choices, keeping you grounded, and shaping how others see you. Mao ni ang mga kabutang na kinahanglan ninyong dalon sa high school. Competence and character. And here's one more important thing. Be a friend to everyone. Learn from others. Because there's always something new you can discover from the people around you. Ayaw niyo makahadlok nga maging amigo bisan kinsa. Kay each person has something you can learn. Remember, the most successful people are not always the ones who know everything. Sila ang mga tao nga dili mo kahuman og kat-on, kanang gusto pili mo tubo, matuon, ug mo improve. Keep being curious, being kind, and keep growing every day. Never stop learning. My dear graduates, as you step into high school, remember that every journey is built on strong foundation. Before we celebrate new beginnings, let us take a moment to honor the people who helped you get here, your elementary teachers. Sila ang unang nag-shape sa atin, kumbaga sila ang ating naging pundasyon. They guided you through your first lessons, and most importantly, how to become good individuals. So today, let us show gratitude. Let us remember